talking all season long about how we learn to cook. And this is really just another opportunity, another way to look at how we learn to cook. I mean, for whatever reason that you're cooking to any of these dietary platforms, we literally have to go back to the drawing board. We literally have to start over and say, okay, I'm going to learn to cook again because ingredients are different. They behave differently. They last longer or shorter depending on what you're cooking, whether it's a whole food or a raw food. It's all about learning to cook.
It absolutely is.
And what a great way to be able to go back into the kitchen and hone your skills.